Today I'm going to take you step by step through how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop. Whether you're cleaning up the rough edges of a design, removing stray marks from a scanned drawing, or just tidying up a photo, by the end of this video you'll be using the eraser tool confidently and knowing exactly how to control it for best results. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to select the eraser tool itself. You can find the eraser tool over in the toolbar, usually docked on the left side of your Photoshop screen. Look for an icon shaped like a little pink eraser, just like the real thing sitting on a desk. If you ever have trouble spotting it, here's a shortcut. Simply press the E key on your keyboard. This instantly activates the eraser tool, so it's a quick way to switch tools without dragging your cursor around. Handy, right? Now, before you start erasing, take a moment to make sure you've got the right layer selected. This is super important. If you erase on the wrong layer, nothing will happen, or worse, you could accidentally erase part of something you wanted to keep. To check your layers, open the Layers panel by clicking Window in the top menu, then picking Layers from the dropdown if it isn't already visible. You'll see a list of all your project's layers. Click directly on the one you'd like to work on. It should change color or highlight to show it's active. Quick tip, if you see a padlock icon next to a layer, that means it's locked and you won't be able to erase anything on it until you unlock it. Just double-click that lock to open it up. Next, let's talk about customizing your eraser so it does exactly what you need. At the top of the screen, you'll find the options bar. It appears every time you click on a tool. Here you can tweak the eraser's brush size and hardness. Adjusting the size makes the eraser bigger or smaller, depending on whether you're working on large background areas or delicate details. You can do this by dragging the slider, or my personal favorite, use the left and right bracket keys on your keyboard. Makes the brush smaller, makes it bigger. For hardness, slide to the right for a crisp, defined eraser edge, or to the left for a softer, feathered touch. Think of it like comparing a sharp pencil line to a smudged charcoal sketch. Sometimes you want precision, other times a gentle blend. Alright, now you're ready to erase. Simply click and drag your mouse over the area you want to remove. Watch as the pixels under your cursor disappear, revealing whatever's below in your layer stack. If it's the background layer, you might see a gray and white checkerboard pattern. That's Photoshop's way of showing transparency. Take your time and use slow, deliberate movements, especially when working near important details. Remember, Photoshop's undo feature is always there if you make a mistake, so there's no pressure to be perfect on the first go. And that's all it takes to master the eraser tool. With a little practice, you'll find it's a powerful way to clean up your images and give your graphics a professional polish. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.